Now you have to start to learn more every day, a little bit Gemura, a little bit Mishnayos, a little bit Chumash. This makes a person happy. Nothing makes a person happy. Nothing. There are people that are putting in all money, in their all mind. They're going to buy this kind of house, and then they're going to be happy. Yeah, then they're going to be happy. You have to learn Torah. Torah makes happy a person. But I'm not understanding. I don't have a chavrusa. I have 1,000 tritzim, 1,000 excuses why I'm not to. Tomorrow I'm going to learn. Next week I'm going to learn. No, I'm going to listen to the Rebbe. The Rebbe has the easy way for me to learn. I'm going to start, say the words. Then you're going to come, your roof going to come, your mashgir going to come. It's not limit Torah. Thank you. Okay. I'm not arguing with you. I'm listening to the Breslover Rebbe. The Rebbe for 200 years ago. A grandchild from the Baal Shem Tov. He says that this is limit Torah. But it's not limit Torah. You have to understand. Okay. I wish I'm going to understand. And Im Yetz Hashem, Bekurev, soon I'm going to understand. I'm going to understand. Because the Rebbe says if a person says every day the words, slowly, he got clears his mind, he starts to understand. Hashem should help, he should be happy.